2810 Briar Knoll. There's a little pathway there. So there is grass that will need to be maintained just a little bit. I think there should be a junking, and also you want to insulate that and get rid of the towels, but junking included on the rehab estimate. I think they're still working on the property. So it looks and smells like they just painted the cabinets. They look pretty good. This is great. Already having a space saver microwave. The stove looks really new. Dishwasher looks fine. Side by side. Looks like these doors were just painted. This is wallpaper. It'll have to come out. But it's great that there's already tile. Huge plus. This needs to be repaired. I couldn't get it out. I couldn't get it opened. The verticals look pretty good. Carpet looks new. Great fan, great blinds. I actually have a townhome in this complex, and I love it. Beautiful. Tile. That's great. Really nice looking. Beautiful shower. Love it. Oh, this big closet. Ouch. Okay. There's already a shower rod. Maybe replace a little drain thingy that's $65. Very small investment. Everything looks good, and it's style. Oh my gosh, we have a ceiling fan in here too. I think these could slide a little easier. Looks like they may be working on the smoke detectors right now. Another fan, that's really fantastic. Oh. Oh. Okay, this door is really hard to open. Okay, that's it.